In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up phone contacts to Gmail. Now, for us to get this done, we're just going to go ahead and utilize our phone app here, and then we're going to open the contacts. Now, right away, go ahead and click this one right here, and then go ahead and hit the settings. Now, this is going to vary, by the way, depending on the phone that you are using, but basically what you're going to do is locate the export right here. Now, we're going to export contacts, and then make sure that you're going to export this one to storage. So I'm going to click this one right here, and then remember here the name and the location of this one. So in my case, it's going to be in the internal storage 00001.vcf. Now I'm going to go ahead and click the export button. Now from this point forward, I'm going to go ahead and choose the phone contacts only, but if you want to include all the others, you can definitely do that one. But basically from here, I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and open Chrome. So Chrome is going to be very important for this one. Alright, now that we are here, we're going to go ahead and tap this one right here, and then we're going to locate contacts. Now, there is an application for this one that you can use also, but if you don't have the contacts app, you can just go ahead and choose stay on web. And then I'm going to go ahead and click import contacts. Now select this one right here, and then choose the files. Now from this point forward, all you have to do is really just locate that one. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one, choose this. Now the location of this one is going to vary, by the way, so I just want you to go ahead and again locate that same thing. So in our case, this is the one right here. It's 00001.vcf. I'm going to go ahead and click that one, and as you can see, it has been chosen. I'm going to choose the import button right here. And there you go. So all done. You can see all of the contacts here have been imported. And that, everybody, is how you're going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.